Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping the biggest drains now. Reduce screen brightness to about 50% and enable auto brightness so the display adapts. This immediately cuts major draw. Next, turn off Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi if you don't need them. Use airplane mode to check baseline battery use. Once done, open settings and force stop the top 2-3 battery-consuming apps for a quick recovery. Do this first to buy time, while you apply the deeper fixes that follow. Now you tune system behavior for lasting gains. Turn on battery saver or low power mode and set it to start at 20 or 30% so the OS throttles costly tasks automatically. Next, restrict background activity per app. Disable background data, background refresh, and push notifications for non-essential apps. This prevents constant wake-ups. Update the OS and apps to ensure energy-efficient code, and uninstall or disable apps and widgets you rarely use. Finish by maintaining battery health and having a troubleshooting plan. Calibrate monthly. Charge to 100%, then discharge to about 5% to keep meter accuracy. Make sure to check battery settings for rogue apps or wake locks. When you find an offender, force stop or remove it, then reevaluate. If the drain continues, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party causes and make sure to back up before a factory reset. If the battery is physically degraded, consider a professional replacement as the last step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.